Hello, it's Clem. So a very lovely human being named Bruce in, I believe, Cincinnati, Ohio, sent me or handed me these gloves. They are craftsman gloves, and they're meant for people who don't know how to handle knives properly. And he gave these to me because he watched my last unboxing video and he was very concerned because I have this a switchblade kind of knife, which I opened a little while ago, and now I can't figure out how to put it back in order. So I think maybe he was right in being concerned. But the important thing is that what I have here is the new Zepparella album. I'm very excited about this. It's been quite an undertaking to get this happening, and today I am unboxing it. I'm very excited. So these come from, they were printed by Third Man Pressing. They were pressed by Third Man Pressing, and they were printed by Stoughton Printing. And I was very lucky to get these wonderful beings involved in creating our new album, Zeppelin Forever. I'm really happy about this, and while I unbox it, I'm going to go without my gloves, so we'll see how this goes as I open the album. So the really exciting thing about this for you vinyl lovers out there is that we ended up going with what they call a tip-on cover, which is really old school. It's the, when you think about the albums you had in the 70s and how hefty they were, that's because of the printing process, where they're printing the image on top of a piece of paper and then they paste the paper on top of the cardboard. So it ends up being like thicker and feels more weighty. And we decided, money be damned, we're gonna do it that way for this wonderful album, Zepparella's first album on vinyl. And so here is the wonderful cover and the wonderful back cover. And the big reveal of the the gatefold, is this wonderful photo of my wonderful bandmates. I'm very excited about this record. We have 8 songs on the vinyl, and then on the download card, which comes inside, you get an extra song as well on there. So the 9 songs in total digitally and 8 songs on the vinyl. And I'm very excited. Thank you to Third Man Pressing. Thank you to Stoughton Press. Thanks to Robert Preston, who co-produced the record with us and helped us record all of the songs, and to JJ Golden for the mastering. And yeah, I'm thrilled. I can't wait to start showing these off at our shows. This weekend we'll be in Indiana and Pittsburgh. And it'll be the first shows that we have these. So see you soon, and hope you feel like ordering them. I'm going to start shipping them all out next week for all those who pre-ordered. Thank you.